Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Tarot Warrior. My name is Aparna and I'm here today to do a May monthly reading for the sign of Gemini. This is going to be a general reading, may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. Only take what resonates, leave the rest. If none of the messages resonate, you can always check videos of your other sign placements, Moon or Venus sign for additional information. So Gemini, let's look at what are the messages coming in for you for the month of May. You've got the Emperor in the past energy, you've got Two of Wands in the current energy, and you've got the Ace of Swords in the future. Your biggest challenge is the Ace of Cups. Your advice is the Four of Pentacles, and your hidden factor is the Six of Swords. Your overall energy is the Ace of Wands, and your outcome is the Lovers, which is Gemini energy. So Gemini, Ace of Wands, something very passionate is about to happen, or maybe it's already happening in your life. There's a new beginning, a lot of passion, a lot of action, a lot of romance, maybe something creative, maybe. But this is something that you really are excited about, or something that will uh, bring a lot of excitement in your life. Okay, I see that in the past there is this Aries energy, the Emperor. Maybe you've been dealing with somebody who is an Aries, or somebody who is uh, very mature, very stable kind of a person, somebody who's very caring, at the same time very just, very somebody who is looked up by. Maybe you look up to this person, or maybe this person is somebody who is very, very well respected. I see currently you are at a crossroads about a decision, um, trying to figure out where you go from here. Maybe there is a choice between two people. Maybe there's a decision between two options. Maybe you have to choose one, or you might be wondering where this is going in the future. Okay, if this is a relationship, a romantic relationship, maybe you're wondering which direction is this headed towards. If this is a job, I feel you're wondering if there's future for you in this company or business. Now, whatever you are at a crossroads about, you're getting that solution, you're getting that answers. Okay, some kind of breakthrough is happening for you in the future, and you're coming out of a very stagnant energy. So yeah, whatever this is that's troubling you, whatever this decision is, you're getting that solution here. Now, your biggest challenge is the Ace of Cups. So there is definitely a new beginning in love, a new offer, but this is showing up in challenge position. So there is something challenging about, again, maybe you don't know if this is something you should accept or not. Four of Pentacles is here as well as advice. So you're holding back. The universe is asking you to go within and figure out why or what is preventing you from moving forward. This could also be financially feeling a lack. Um, and maybe that is the advice here, that maybe you're holding on too tight. Maybe you need to save more. Okay, that is also one of the things I'm getting. Six of Swords is your hidden factor, so definitely you are moving forward. Okay, you're on your way, going towards calmer waters, but this is an energy of transformation, this is an energy of change. So might seem like you're heading in the right direction towards calmer waters, but again, your outcome is Lovers, which is Gemini energy. This is about a partnership, this is about a collaboration, this is about a romantic situation. Okay, now let me just clarify and see what this is about. So there's a new beginning for you here, passionate new beginning. Let's see what this is about. You've got the Four of Swords. So yeah, after a period of break, after you've healed from something, I feel in the past there was a lot of healing that you needed to do. Maybe some of you have been single for a while. Maybe some of you took a break from relationships. Maybe some of you took a break from work. and there is a passionate new beginning now coming in for you after this break, and it's also an energy of starting over after a period of break. Now, why is the emperor in the past? So some of you have been married, or were in a very long term relationship, and it looked like a twin flame connection. What happened in the current energy? What is the two of wands about? So from the four, you've gone to the two, eight of pentacles. You're wondering if you should continue putting work towards this relationship, because maybe you are doing a lot of self reflection. You're asking yourself some questions. There are thoughts in your mind, sudden thoughts which have come up. Maybe there is some kind of a doubt. Maybe you found out something about this person you're dealing with romantically. Maybe you've had a conversation with them and you feel doubtful about the future of this connection. Now, why is the Ace of Swords here in the future? Five of Wands. Yeah, so there's some kind of conflict for which you're getting a solution. There is some kind of, if there was a third party interference, you're getting again a solution to that problem. So, whatever the problem is, you're finding a solution here in the future. Now, why is the Five of Wands here with the Ace of Swords? Yeah, you've got the Nine of Wands. So for some of you, it looks like you've been fearing something, you've been scared of something, you've been uh, kind of very fearful of a demon in your head, because you kind of had a thought, you were scared that if you find out more, if you dig more, if you ask more questions, you may be turn you may it may turn out to be right. And you had this fear which became bigger and bigger, and in the future also I see that fear kind of, you some intuition kind of getting confirmed. Okay, so yeah, you're being very protective of yourself. Why is the Ace of Cups in the challenge position? You've got the King of Wands. Again, I see a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Three of Wands here. There's something where you're waiting for an answer, or waiting for something, waiting for things to change, maybe waiting for this person to give you some answers, maybe. And that's showing up as challenge position. There's an energy of you needing to be much more patient in the situation. Why is the Four of Pentacles in the advice position? There is this energy of, yeah, the universe are actually asking you to hold back rather than act impulsively. Something about jumping to conclusions, or making haste, making a very impulsive decision, saying something out of turn, saying something impulsively and then regretting it. So the universe is asking you to hold back, okay, because maybe what you think is not what the truth is. So Six of Swords here, or what you're feeling right now is just momentary. So Six of Swords here as hidden factor. You've got the Page of Cups. So there's somebody coming towards you with an offer of love, but you need to be very careful right now and not be impulsive. Okay, there is a new beginning in love for you. So why is the Lovers here? It's a soulmate connection, the Lovers. So yeah, the universe is asking you to be strong and take a bold step. Maybe some of you are just fearful of a relationship, and you are, because of the fear, you're just running away from a situation, running away from the truth. But this is a soulmate connection. This is destiny. Somebody is coming towards you. You are asked to tame your impulses, because you are probably pushed, or you feel that you need to react, but it's all coming from the past baggage that you've been carrying. So the universe is asking you to just be careful and be a bit patient, because something is going to, the difficult times are going to tide over, and you may change your mind in the future about the situation, about this person. Maybe right now you feel you need to act in a certain way, but the universe is asking you to temper yourself. Okay, the whole message here is about holding back, tempering yourself, not reacting or overreacting too much. So yeah, Gemini, this is definitely for some of you. Temperance here, Sagittarius energy, Leo energy. I see Aries as well, but I see Gemini. So it can be any sign, doesn't have to be these signs, but this is what I have for you, Gemini. I've got a very clear message for you here, and I don't know who it will resonate with, but if it does resonate, do like, share, and subscribe. Do comment. Like I've been, talking about this even before. I am not getting many views on this channel, and I'm not sure why. But if you are watching this, please do like, share, and comment, and do subscribe to this channel, and keep liking and commenting, because the more you do that, the more I can put out such content for you. If this continues in going downward, I may have to discontinue this channel. So please do like, share, and subscribe if this does resonate. And I'll be back with another reading, but if you wish to book a private reading, I'm available on email. You can book with me via email, or you can also go to my website and directly book there. I have all the details I put up on my screen at the bottom, and also in the description box, so you can check it out there. I'll be back with another reading. Till then, take care, guys. All the best.